Isa pong Pilipina ang nagtapos na class valedictorian sa isang institusyon sa Alberta. Dumating po siya na high school sa bansa pero napilitang maging international student. Panoorin kung paano ito nangyari at ang kwento sa likod ng kanyang pagiging top of the class ngayong taon. Narito ang report.
For those who don't know me personally, my name is Rania and I'm from the Philippines. 4 years ago, life took me here to Calgary.
Grade 11 nang mag-migrate si Rania Alisangco at kanyang mga magulang sa Canada. 4 na taon na ang nakakaraan. Bilang isang teenager at nag-iisang anak na sanay sa Pilipinas, naging mahirap ang paglipat sa Canada, lalo't walang kamag-anak at mga kaibigan na masasandalan ng kanilang pamilya.
I lost everything that I loved. I haven't seen my family in 4 years, so it was a huge adjustment for me. I was homesick almost every single day.
Unang naging international student ang kanyang ina na si Jihan, pero inabot sila ng paghihigpit ng immigration at hindi na makuha-kuha ang PR. Kaya napilitan si Rania na maging international student na din, kahit na halos triple ang tuition na kanyang binayaran.
I actually reached a point, I think, last year where I was getting really worried. So on my 3rd semester, I was thinking to myself, I don't know what my life is going to look like 1 year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now. Am I in Canada? Am I in the Philippines? Where will I be?
Pero tila nasa dugo na ng mga Pinay ang hindi sumusuko. Pinagsumikapan ni Rania na maitawid ang kursong journalism diploma kahit na walang kasiguraduhan ang kanyang kinabukasan sa bansa. Matapos ang 2 taon sa Southern Alberta Institute of Technology sa Calgary, nagtapos si Alisangco nitong Hunyo bilang class valedictorian.
I woke up to the sound of the email and it said, "Congratulations, you've been picked as valedictorian." And I was in such disbelief that I went back to sleep right after because I thought there's no way. And I just couldn't believe it.
My roots are reflected on the stole that I'm wearing today. This weaving is called langkit, which represents the craftsmanship, heritage, and resilience of Maranaos from Mindanao in the Philippines. I proudly wear this today as a way of honoring my roots and those who came before me. It's my reminder to move forward, but never forget where I came from.
Inialay niya sa mga magulang ang tagumpay, lalo na sa kanyang ina na iniwan ang pagiging matagumpay na journalist ng 20 taon sa Pilipinas para sa kanyang kinabukasan.
They left everything and everyone they have known their whole lives just to give me the opportunities that they never had growing up. And to me, that's the ultimate sacrifice. Mama, Papa, maraming salamat po para po sa inyo ito. Wala ako dito if it's not for you guys. Thank you, this is for you. Everything I do and everything I am is because of you too.
Batid ni Alisangco, marami pang Pilipino sa Canada ang katulad niya, mistulang sumusuot sa butas ng karayom, maging maayos lang ang buhay sa bansa.
Struggling is okay, but you have to remember that you're not alone. There's so many other people out there, not even just Filipinos. There's so many newcomers and immigrants out here who are in the same situation as you. And so I feel like when you're really stressed and you're feeling super down, it's important to find your community and reach out to your community.
Nais din niyang ialay ang kanyang tagumpay sa Filipino-Canadian community na patuloy na lumalaban sa hirap ng buhay at sa mga kabataang tulad niya na nangarap din na makamit ang magandang buhay dito sa Canada.